Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. PPSC, FPSC, KPPSC, SPSC and BPSC candidates can join my significant, vital and important sessions for interview preparation and written test preparation. Dear students, today I will discuss a very important concept, a very important interview question, and that is why Laspierre has upward bias and why Pastius has downward bias. A very important concept. First of all, I will tell you what is an index number. Actually, index number is a technique which is used to measure the change in one or more variables with respect to time and space. For example, if we want to measure the change in the price of rice for 2023 as compared with 2020, that will be studied in index number, and that is with respect to time, and that is for one variable. And if we want to study the change in price of rice, wheat, sugarcane, maize and cotton, there are five variables. There are more than one variable, and we want to study, we want to check the change in the price of these commodities, these variables with respect to time. That will be studied in index number. And what is space, what is place, actually what is location? If I want to study the change in price of a bottle for Murree and Lahore, that will be studied in space. A very important concept. Now I will tell you, actually whenever we want to find out the expenditure, we multiply price with quantity and we get our expenditure. For example, I purchased 1 kg of oil. I will multiply kg with the price of oil. I purchased 3 kg of flour. Then I will multiply 3 quantity with the price of that flour. In this way, and at the end we will make the summation. We will get our expenditure, a very important for our house. And in Laspierre index number, we have the concept, the formula is summation Pn Q naught over summation P naught Q naught multiplied by 100. Here is the problem. We multiply the new price of the current year with the old quantity. I think, for example, 20 years ago there were only 2 people in a house. Then the quantity which we purchased in the 20 years back, we will multiply this with the new price, and that will create a bias, and it is overestimated. Laspierre has upward bias. It is also called overestimation. And what is about Pastius? That is summation Pn Qn over summation P naught Qn multiplied by 100. It is okay, it is accurate. New price with the new quantity multiply and then summation, we will get our expenditure. But here is the problem, downward in the denominator, we multiply the new quantity with the old price, and that creates the underestimation, that is downward bias. A very important comment, a very important concept. Must comment on today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.